What's going on, guys? Assad here, and in this tutorial I'm gonna talking about the code tag. So there are piece of computer code you need to put in your HTML, and yeah, you want to save that. So how are we gonna do that? Is that the true way to do that? Because uh, you know we don't want to look like the others, right? You need to look like the what we call text editor typing, so like that. So for that, we need to do is remove all of that, and now what we gonna do is code use the code tag. Inside that, what I'm gonna do is console dot log, it's a JavaScript code. Hello, hello. And here type something like hey. So you will understand that the code tag is very different. I'm gonna use here a br, or you will see how different it is with the normal text. So this is what code tag do, is give a rich effect so that you can understand it's a piece of a computer code. So hope you guys understand. See you guys in the next tutorial.